Now gurus and new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with disastrous beauty.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the reason I can't get out my head. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop.
Okay, y'all, so I'm obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you are interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Okay, y'all, so this unit was copped by me with my own coins. You guys know I like to celebrate when I cop a unit with my own coins, so shout out to me for coming through with the come through, okay, honey? I spent it so you wouldn't have to, okay, girl? Alright, so the unit that I did is by Outre. It is from their Melted Hairline collection. Yeah, I know, y'all. I got some other units that are gonna be from another company. I bought some recently from somewhere else, because I know y'all probably like, girl, these the only syntheticals you gonna bring us? No, honey. Okay, no, I got some more coming. But this one is by Outre from the Melted Hairline collection, and it is in the style Briallen, and I do have it in the color DR2/Golden Amber. It says frontal effect hairline, no plucking required. Redesign comfort, ear contour, baby hairs included, pre-attached wide elastic band. It says HD transparent lace, and it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. And then on the inside it has soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep pardon, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached elastic wide band, natural baby hairs, and then it talks about the ear contour. And then on the back it has the special colors. So this is what this unit looks like on the stock card. Okay, y'all, so this unit does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And I do want you guys to keep in mind that it does say like frontal effect hairline, meaning that this is a lace part unit. It just has the 13, it's like a T-part. So it has the 13 inches across with the lace, but it is a T-part. So you cannot part it anywhere else. You can shift it if you want, but you cannot actually part this unit anyone else. So just know that, honey. Just keep that in mind. So as far as the shedding and tangling goes with this wig, now I can't speak on the shedding just yet. But old girl tangles like nobody's business. Okay, girl, she's a tangly mess. Okay, so I just want you guys to keep that in mind. Old girl definitely tangles. So keep that in mind. And I'll be honest, I did expect it to tangle some. It kind of reminded me of the D wig, just a longer version of it when I was looking at it on the stock card, and which is what made me get it. So I did expect it to tangle some, but honey, I ain't no girl was gonna tangle like old girl tangling, honey. Old girl is tangling like I said, like nobody's business, honey. So I just want you to be wary of that. If you can deal with it, then you know, whatever. I just want to throw it out there. Now, as far as this wig being big head friendly, in my opinion, this unit is big head friendly. I feel like all of the Outre units are pretty big head friendly, in my opinion. I am a medium cap size, so if you do have a smaller or a bigger head, you know, you may want to, you know, be wary of that, because I am a medium or average cap size. So I just kind of base it off of if I can adjust the straps. If I have to adjust the straps, because it's big head friendly. If I don't have to adjust the straps, it's small head friendly. So do with that what you want to do with it, oh girl. Okay, do with that what you want to. Okay. So yeah, that is basically it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in what I think about this unit as well as the full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. So I'm gonna keep it all buck with you, girl. I'm not a fan. I am not a fan of this unit whatsoever. Like, honey, she's just not giving me what I thought she was gonna be giving me, and it has been a headache. And I have been in this room forever. It's time for my kids to eat lunch and all kinds of stuff, and I just been in here doing this with this unit, getting more and more frustrated, getting more and more aggravated. Okay, old girl is not. I'm not a fan. Okay, I'm just not. It's really tangly, and I even got to the point where I was like, girl, you're gonna have to recurl it, because it had tangled so much that it was like it was getting straight. I don't know. Girl, I made it straighter with the curl nine, because I don't know. Maybe I just don't know what I'm doing. I didn't brush it. I didn't comb it. I just ran my fingers through it, and she's just a tangly mess. Like, she just is. I'm not a fan. So I had to cut it. I did cut some of it, and I was just doing layers, but then the bottom was so, like, look at this. The bottom was so tangly that I had to cut some of it as well. So it may be uneven when I stand up, but honey, I did the best that I could do. I am not a fan. I do love the color. I think the color is gorgeous. And, you know, it may be the color that makes it so tangly. I haven't looked at any other reviews. So, you know, it could be a me thing. You know, I ain't nobody's hairstylist, child, okay? So it could be a me thing. Y'all can let me know, give me some tips down below, because I really would like to like this unit, because I love the color, I love the waist. It's just a hot, tangly mess, and that's just really frustrating to me. It's just, I can deal with some tangles. I can deal with some shedding, but not on this level. Like, I am just not a fan. Girl, I keep looking over here and just like I'm just not a fan of it. So yeah, that is basically it. But if you do have this unit and you can give me some tips and tricks and all of that good stuff down below, honey, I feel free to comment down below. We help each other over here, honey. Okay, we's a family. Okay, so y'all help me out, because I'm mad. Okay, I'm mad. This is getting on my nerves. Okay, so let me know down below if you have any tips and tricks. I appreciate them. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 and a lint check. Mind you, I did cut some of it, so I cut about an inch. Well, maybe not even an inch. Maybe half an inch off, but it's still a really long unit. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360, and then we can wrap this thing all the way. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Okay, so let me know down below if you own this unit and what you think about this unit. I am really interested to know, honey. Don't forget to leave them tips and tricks down there, because I'm interested in knowing that too. Okay, let me know down below in the comments. And if you are interested in this wig, despite what I've said about it, then I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box if it's still available. And yeah, girl, that's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, don't you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment help your girl out. Comment that. And if you're not already subscribed, click the subscribe button, sis. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm Helps Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousB on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chillin'